Muma President John Mahama. Until I say we fairly the second time we.
Abuza from Mamu Yamakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also submit my cabin. Also watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be. Now the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no move hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko is here.
Muma President John Mahama. Until I say we failing the second time we. He is a failure. That is the fact. Because ultimately for road that way and find no excuse. It's a lie. That is your responsibility as a governor. As a governor, that is your responsibility. Your responsibility say obey your road. That is your responsibility. It won't mean for road big push and find no excuse. That is your responsibility. Won't mean for hospitals and schools and find no excuse. That is your responsibility as a governor. Some road now no MPP ayebi. School no MPP SCB. Hospitals MPP SCB. So what is your problem? What is your problem? Actually, what is your problem? You are a failure. What failure? To be an country wa me Koose me catch what failure? What in a classroom? Maybe say 1+1 ASN. What say you 3? What failure and own failure? Who opposition? What's a what power? Obey 24 hours economy am Ghana for. Oba ya 1 year. What failure and a won't failure? What failure? You are a failure. You are a typically failure. What failure? What failure totally? That is the fact. Now, Mahama yadio, yambona baso, 10. Yampusi Mahama 10. Uncle 10. Jana wire road. It's won't fell. Mahama yadio, ye man got 10. Uncle 10. And then a wire with hospital. Mahama yadio, ye Woman got 10. And then all your big push. No one can get 10 people on your road. When I get to 10 people with hospitals. When I get to 10 people, start big push one yebi. And to get afford echo abatiano. I didn't tell you to near to my yet. What say your Bob Rabba yard, Maya, or the Faha? We young France, why are they? We are seriously. We are position, what say your Bob? Nurses bring you to my teachers bring you to my one papa will be at it. 24 hours economy policy, 1 year. What's the Yambo Abaso? What's the Yambo Abaso? You more 10 Ben. 10. What they quay? 10 no they quay. 8 years to cry, 8 years 1 year, now 4 years no baby. 8 years no baby no. Oh, policy back crowd by 1 year. Now 4 years now, young family no baby. Woman no get it. What ba power inflations were down. And so they ma boy yedin. Who are power inflations were down. And so young card ye. 2024 I say economy me asay economy mo ayede no na Ghanaian citizens kula na wo mu compreni say ento wo mo ade ba na ne boy yedin say dem kula na yeto insise ye be na MPP and the MPP 2024 wo mu di go akomo na nyema boy yedin ba na say na wo mo to na inflation is akotop ba say na wo mo to ade ba wo kwa wo ba power inflation is about down ba say na nyema boy yedin say na ye nto ade ye ka wo say mama ye nka ya see yenka de Mr. President ya see yenka de for we go form for we go form. That is my problem. Bring the 24 hours economy. So one fast out 24 hours economy number ye and into the meeting at 2 about mouth it's me right to say maybe so forgetting will be back out ye who will be. What are you saying? Yamina mesu so yamina medito so. Dia na wa yama o my Ghana ye ba besu so. Dia parliament wu second coming of President John Dramani Mahama yama o my Ghana ye ba be born abaso ye besu so no so. Tie ni o. Tie asem we yi. Obi atenase. Aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety atenase. Akase bia wo pe mines adwuma ye. And now per construction adwuma ye. O pese wuchi excavator, but won ni michia. Ma bia school. Enti wo ye Ghana ni a. Bra na benye ntete ye pa e wo mi school no. Na wo school ni mu a opportunities betimi aba. Ti say mines opportunity beba. Ti say construction work opportunity beba. Na wo kwa kuchi excavator or mines. And what could you excavator road so into open titia brana besua. You see this kind of brilliant. We're creating jobs, we're creating in Sanuma. And more than any be a wire agent or baby excavator. And was also the one more number can send number in into whopa for number no naji more information for more. Ghana near tenacity. Adding say a passe, Eddie Gua Comma Ghana ni. As a president, the NSS was away. And Sasa obey 24 hours economy policy. No, and Sasa what the baba. No be obekwa aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety. No, o Koose we are no ababe ye juma no 24 hours economy nim. No ababe ye. You are a failure. You are a failure. Mr. President. So far as I won 24 hours economy, you are a failure. You are a failure. What failure? Because 1 + 1 is 2, and yet 3. Say your 2 BCC and your trust say the President John Dramani Mahama do 24 hours economy. Yes or no? What you see, yes, sir. What failure? What you see, no, you are correct because on yay. So you are a failure. Hello? Let me tell you, my woman
thank you, dear. You will catch them, dear.
Thank you.
What won't thank you, Bisada?
What do you want to make? How could you?
Entino.
So they was just there. Thank you,
Entino.
You are a serious one.
Your best, yeah. I'd rather you should be paying.
As I'm not a prophet, you're born.
So for David.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's what I say.
A president, prophet, what does he? President, does he? But any politics, they're politics.
And or could the whole region, Sana?
Probably the whole Ghana.
They say, where we?
But so many shows were we. Many shows were we. Man, thank you, pa. Oh, thank you, pa. Now, but you say, we are sure prophet 1 TV crowd. Thank you, Liba. About that Ghana first. We are sure say had a baby prophet. Original thank you, no. New mercury into 1.5.
I said, well, you come say thank you, Tom.
Kumasi waba.
Well, we no. so for your fancy. Everybody shall Ghana for Onyamia Bramunso and the Andus in the pain and to me camera Michelle Rade or Befanu to me so much why you are being shra. Ye de mapa at the amount that they are practiced as a BA. Now what P 1 year Akase Onyameba Christ on the wedding ye. Forward ever, backwards never. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. To me no aye Rade de ye ko. A rather be at the enough for fraud. A manishra. Aye dear. Nay be a no Akase Onyameba Christ no on your wedding ye. So for Ama, I said, only sank one fast and some too many.
Robert, and now me, because I'm news me.
Of course, Ama, Missy Affam. Nicholas, you be sick, because of
Anna Prophet, Evra Johnson, a certificate here, the NDC, Prophet. Sabi me, who is what I was opinion.
Yeah.
See, the Numa send be a mood too.
Yeah, or you see a penny in swamp.
See, and send me say,
penny in swamp.
And a hard drink.
Radisha Ghana. Oh, Jesus Christ, Nazareth, Demo. And Yedibesia.
Was you down? See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and I don't go for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way anyway, and my mamma. Monsieur. Naki yen sem patadi yen sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say, we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say, yeah, hospitals and they go sound and no women say. It is a Kenyan who say saying and no man in Abaya. And this kind of they was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost saying people for for. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what their hospitals, my most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on fund free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net 10 after the Mokikem Kaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common to them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians didn't come on to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen now. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a yanking, getting ye invest square yanking. We want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. And yes, same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system, also open cocoa. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most of them conking. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warn you was here, me say me na me go catch you by the many man all members come to Butuu. Ye wa. Digitalization, you start to say yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and to kinky, it mo pe kinky sika. It's a mamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinky, and mamu other than mokem. You will come here. And you John the money, Mamma could not, if I say, and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, I'm with your kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.